What's up, you guys? It's your girl Royale Sweets in the building. Okay, so just not too long ago, D, which is my baby, y'all ain't even got to meet her yet, but I'm gonna let y'all meet her in this live. But anyway, in this video I'm in, she come in here with a big bag of plain chips. I hate the noise. Who else hate the noise? Like, you come in here, the room quiet, and you hear all this noise coming from the potato chip bag, and I'm like, stop. Like, don't move it. I said, look, if you don't go pour that shit in a bag, and you don't go pour it in the motherfucking bowl or something. I hate that noise.
All I did was open it.
I hate the noise. Ooh, and especially, don't let me be in class or something. Or say I'm at a patient house, or I'm at somebody's house, and we just chilling, watching TV and whatever. And it makes it worse, in my opinion, when they try to open it slowly. At the end of the day, you're interrupting me. You're interrupting me. Like, hurry up and get that fucking chip out the bag. And you really can't say shit because you at their house.
Try to be quiet with it.
But I'd be like, so they get the chip open up real slow. And I'm like, oh my God. That making that noise last longer. Get the damn chip. You know, see, I don't eat potato chips. And if I do, it's very rare. But anyway, I hate it with a passion. It can be quiet as hell. Next thing you know, you hear some potato chips rattling and stuff like that. I'd be like, oh my God, what the hell? But anyway, I had to share that. So y'all tell me, how y'all feel about the sound of potato chip bags? Am I the only one it irritates sometimes? I mean, do it at a party or something where it's already loud. If it's quiet, I'm in here relaxing, don't come in here with no big bag of potato chips. Making no noise. But anyway, honey, let me let y'all meet my baby. So you can come over here, baby. So you can get in the camera so they can see him. Because y'all got to meet me and my kids the other night, the other day, or whatever the case may be. But y'all didn't get to meet her because she was helping my mom move and stuff like that. But here she is. This is my baby, my fiance. And in case y'all didn't see the ring, let me let y'all see it real good. It's a good ring. Blinging, baby. Always. But anyway. So here she is. She gets on my motherfucking nerve.
All because I was trying to eat some shit.
I don't want to hear a bag of chips.
I just came in the room.
Pour the fucking chips in a bowl.
As soon as I open the bag, start snapping.
Yeah, but anyway. I'm a handful.
My handful.
Thank you, baby. But anyway, bye, y'all, because I had to share that. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Am I doing too much? Let me know now. Let me know. That ain't going to change shit now. Royale going to be Royale. If I don't like the sound of the damn potato chip bag, I ain't going to like the sound. But, you know, my fans are important to me. So let me know how y'all feel about that noise from the bag of chips. Like, tell me, is it just me? You know? And if so, if not, whatever. Comment, like, you know, do whatever you do. Please subscribe to the channel and please share. Get your friends to subscribe. Watch me. Hot topics, fashion, makeup, hair, all that. Real shit. Real living. Everything, man. Music coming out soon. I'm trying to work on the single, so yeah, I do music too. Yeah, bitch can sing. I can do a little something. But anyway, bye, you guys. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. And hit me up on my Facebook and my Instagram. I'll let y'all know below what those are so you can follow me. But, yeah. Love you. Bye.